I greet everyone of you on the 4th of next month, February 2023. We will hold our rally, Ubidati rally, for front of train station, padova train station, for Italy, Veneto. So anyway you go for this Italy, make it dey come down on the 4th for padova train station. Time 10 a.m. and then we go there in front of that train station to hold our rally, peaceful rally for Ubidati. Understand me? So if you are obedient, make you show anywhere you dey for this Italy, make you come. And if you say you wan wear this shirt wey you wear on that day, tell me, then I will tell you how you take get this Ubidati shirt. I will tell you how you take it am. Understand? So don't miss it. Tell your friend, make your friend tell your own friend, make your own friend tell another friend. You understand me? Make you share the video, because if you share them, other people will see them. So that on that day, they no go talk say they no tell them. Understand me? Share the video so that the other person will see share them, another one will see share them. So that they will see them. So that on that day, they will show. Don't forget, date on the 4th of next month, which is February. Time 10 a.m. Venue, padova train station, Veneto, Italy. Understand me? I greet you now.
Today we miss tomorrow. We're talking about tomorrow. And our commitment is to deal with insecurity decisively in two ways. One is to start pulling people out of poverty. The more you pull people out of poverty, the more you reduce criminality.
That the person will be me if you want better tomorrow.